Anand Shenoy here. I am representing a company known as ITO Infotech Private Limited. We are actually working on a technology known as RFID, Radio Frequency Identification Devices, which is specifically now in use for the power plant which are under the Ministry of Renewable Energy under the GNSM plan. As you will see in the different plans, we have a complete turnkey solution for RFID for the PV plant owner as well as the product who are importing the product. So we have a different solutions for both of the services actually. So I will show you some of the tags which we have been used. So the tags which are actually been used for the crystalline industry. So you just have to write the data inside the PV panel which you get from the solar flasher and then stick it to the PV panel itself. We have a different systems over there. So which have writers, readers. So we have writers as well as the readers itself. So even with the software you can write the data. Can you show the writer? Yeah, write the writing over there. The data is over there. It's a very compact writer station. You can see you can keep it anywhere in the desktop itself to writing the information. Then after writing the information, you have this handled PDA, where you want to see the information in all the data which have been stored in the PV panel. So we have been working from last 1 year for this specific project, and we have served more than I think around 15 customers already in India and abroad. Few other customers are like Mozarbeer, Sharp, Green Brilliance, Kotak Urja and other companies. And if you have any requirement on this specific, please get in touch with us. Our URL is www.ito.co.in.